Hello, it's me again. This is the second video for January 7, 2023. And right now they made it to the upper part of this project over there. Let's hope they won't be tearing down any more trees. Yep. Still about 40 degrees out there, 39 if you want to call it. Yep. Still in the exact location of Pottsville, Pennsylvania, Laurel Boulevard. And they're actually still doing it. Never a dull moment in this project. It's a good thing I caught it. Right now it's about like around 10:15 or something in the morning. At least we're in early January. We'll be near like middle of January in 3 days on the 10th. So as we get through with today, the 8th and the 9th of this month. But we made it for the first 6 days from the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. Last week was pretty warm. Now we're back to the low 40s. Don't worry, it might warm up again. Sometimes by the end of the week. This January is 10 times better than the last January when it got very cold. On the first week of January it got pretty cold. It got colder again, and colder again. I couldn't go. I couldn't go now much but walking around because of because it was so cold. But I waited until March. Let's hope they won't be chopping any more trees. I love the trees over here. Trees is just like kids or something. I don't see anybody there. I don't see the old man. I don't see the other guys. Only this one person doing like all by himself. Maybe a little bit much later, after they leave, I'll give you like an aftermath of this project. Yep. That's why I'm putting it in my family album, like my YouTube album. Yep, I guess the guy's taking a little break from there. I'm used to climbing over there. So the next door they just got out of there already, I mean with all the stuff. But they might be back maybe Monday or something to work on like the house. Over on 719 Laurel. And I don't know about the other one, 710, 712 might be coming back to work. Oh, I know they got some crap out of there. I see just I see another person over there. A truck driver. No, I think he had to get something out of the truck. I think he's going on that yellow bulldozer. I don't know. So I hope you enjoyed this second update video for the construction on January 7, 2023. I'll see you much later when I have more. You just take care and comment, subscribe, and ring the bell. Bye, folks.